Imagine waking up to the soft sound of nature, sunlight filtering through handcrafted wooden panels, and the gentle hum of a futuristic machine beneath you. But this isn't a cabin in the woods. It's your home on three wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and eye-catching concepts out there, the 2026 wooden futurist camper tricycle bike. And trust me, by the end of this, you might start questioning why people still pay rent at a first glance. This tricycle doesn't even look real. It feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie blended with a cozy forest cabin. The entire structure is built with a stunning wooden finish, giving it that warm, natural vibe. But don't be fooled. Beneath that rustic charm lies a seriously futuristic machine designed for freedom, mobility, and a completely new way of living. The design is where things really get interesting. Unlike traditional RVs or campers, this is compact, sleek, and surprisingly efficient. The three-wheel setup gives it stability while keeping it lightweight. The front is designed like a powerful bike, but as you move toward the back, it transforms into a beautifully crafted wooden cabin on wheels. It's the perfect fusion of old-world craftsmanship and modern engineering. And let's talk about that wood. This isn't just for looks. The wooden structure is carefully treated for durability, weather resistance, and insulation. So whether you're parked by a beach, deep in the mountains, or cruising through a city, the interior stays comfortable and protected. It feels less like a vehicle and more like a tiny luxury cabin that just happens to move. Step inside, and things get even more impressive. The interior is surprisingly spacious for something this compact. Every inch is thoughtfully designed. You've got a cozy sleeping area, smart storage compartments, and even a small workspace if you want to take your digital life on the road. The wooden interior creates a calming atmosphere, making it feel like a retreat rather than a vehicle. And yes, it's not just about aesthetics. This camper tricycle is built for real-life practicality. Many designs include solar panels mounted on the roof, allowing you to generate your own power. That means you can charge devices, run lights, and even power small appliances without needing to rely on external sources. Imagine being completely off-grid, yet fully connected. One of the biggest advantages of this tricycle camper is freedom. No more worrying about rent, utility bills, or being tied to one location. You can literally take your home wherever you want. Want to wake up by the ocean? Just ride there. Feel like exploring the countryside? It's all within reach. This is minimalism taken to the next level, but with style. Now, let's talk about cost. Compared to traditional homes or even full-sized RVs, this concept is incredibly affordable. That's what makes it so appealing, especially for younger generations looking for alternative living solutions. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle shift. A move towards simplicity, sustainability, and independence. Of course, it's not without challenges. Living in a compact space requires smart organization and a minimalist mindset. You can't carry everything you own, so you focus on what truly matters. But for many people, that's actually a benefit. It forces you to declutter not just your space, but your life. Another thing that makes this tricycle stand out is its eco-friendly approach. The use of wood, combined with solar energy, reduces your carbon footprint significantly. It's a step towards sustainable living without sacrificing comfort or design. In a world where environmental concerns are growing, solutions like this feel more important than ever. And let's be honest, the attention this thing gets is unreal. Wherever you go, people will stop, stare, and ask questions. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. A bold declaration that you've chosen a different path. One that values freedom over routine and experience over material things. Imagine documenting your journey, sharing your travels, and inspiring others to think outside the box. This kind of setup is perfect for content creators, adventurers, and anyone who dreams of living life on their own terms. It turns everyday travel into an experience worth sharing. Safety and functionality are also key parts of the design. Despite its compact size, the tricycle is engineered for balance and control. Many versions include advanced braking systems, efficient motors, and even smart tech integrations. So while it looks like a piece of art, it performs like a modern vehicle. And then there's the emotional side of it. There's something incredibly satisfying about living in a space that feels handcrafted, personal, and connected to nature. The wooden design adds warmth and character that you just don't get with metal or plastic interiors. It feels alive, Almost like your home has a soul. This isn't just about replacing a house or a car. It's about redefining what a home can be. Do you really need four walls and one fixed place? Or can your home be something that moves with you, adapts to your journey, and evolves with your lifestyle? The 2026 Wooden Futurist Camper Tricycle challenges everything we think we know about living spaces. It blends mobility, sustainability, and design into one compact, beautiful package. It's not for everyone, but for those who crave freedom and creativity, it might just be perfect. As technology continues to evolve, concepts like this are becoming more realistic and accessible. What once seemed like a fantasy is now slowly turning into a viable option. And who knows, in a few years, we might see entire communities of people living on wheels, exploring the world without boundaries. So the question is, could you do it? Could you trade a traditional home for something like this? A wooden cabin on 3 wheels, powered by the sun, ready to take you anywhere at any time. Because once you experience that level of freedom, going back might not even feel like an option.